How to pair and connect your Garmin Forerunner 970 Step-by-Step Guide. Step 1. Install the Garmin Connect app. Download and install the Garmin Connect app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Step 2. Power on your Forerunner 970. Press and hold the upper left button on your watch to turn it on. Step 3. Access pairing mode on the watch from the watch face. Press and hold the middle left button. Navigate to watch settings. Connectivity. Pair phone. Step 4. Open the Garmin Connect app. Launch the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Sign in to your existing Garmin account or create a new one if you don't have one. Step 5. Add your device in the Garmin Connect app. Tap on More, usually represented by 3 dots or lines. Select Garmin Devices, Add Device. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow necessary permissions, such as location access. Step 6. Scan the QR code. The Garmin Connect app will prompt you to scan a QR code on your dial. Forerunner 970. A QR code will appear. Use your smartphone to scan this QR code to establish the connection. Step 7. Complete the pairing process. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to finalize the pairing. Once paired, your watch will sync with the Garmin Connect app, allowing you to access features like activity tracking, notifications, and more.